Hello everybody, welcome to another unboxing video. This time I'm looking into BoomArm. If you've seen my latest video about unboxing of Shure MV7, you would know that I need a microphone stand for it. If you haven't seen it, please check out, drop a like and subscribe. And this time let's have a look into BoomArm or microphone stand. It's a Samson MBA18. Let's check out what's inside the box. So as you can see, we have two things. We have the BoomArm itself, and then we have a desk mounting system. So let's have a look inside. You could notice that I'm unboxing it with one hand. That's because with second hand I'm actually holding my camera. So my next video will be about unboxing of a camera stand. So please stay tuned. The BoomArm is actually telescopic, so let me just loosen these screws. The heads are plastic. Let me loosen this one as well. And as you can see, it's a telescopic. The maximum reach of the BoomArm is 46 centimeters. It's long enough to be mounted on your desk next to your keyboard, which perfectly reaches your mouth. Let's check the desk mounting system. So let us see how thick your desk can be. It looks like almost like 5 centimeters. While unscrewing it, there seems to be a little bit of dust, but that's fine. Yeah, so less than 5 centimeters is what your desk should be thick to perfectly fit. And let's mount it to the BoomArm. Let's check how it fits to Shure MV7 microphone yoke. It fits perfectly. I don't need any adapter. Let me just tighten it up. I have to rotate the BoomArm because the yoke of the Shure MV7 doesn't have that free head, but this I can just tighten it up and it fits. And this is how it looks on my desk above my keyboard. You will really have to tighten up the screws a lot because the microphone is heavy, but the boom arm is able to handle it and it looks perfect. If you like the video, don't hesitate to drop a like and subscribe, and see you on my next video. Cheers!